everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel
where people are making barbecue and roasting potatoes.
where we have small ponds and people are making small wooden. You can put the grain out here, they'll come and pick it up and take it. So let's go to your original hair. Different than what I do usually, and have an accomplishment. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं अपने एक ऑफिस का इवेंट है एंड दिस इज़ अ फैमिली गैदरिंग फैमिली इवेंट फ्रॉम द ऑफिस. तो चलते हैं, देखते हैं कि कैसा होता है एंड आपको भी दिखाते हैं. सो जॉइन मी फॉर दिस एडवेंचर एंड लेट्स गो. So we have reached the main gate of Center Skłodowska-Curie and now we are going to head inside. Let's check how it is. So we are here and having some food. Basically it's all a jungle area and there we have the small kitchen where people are making barbecue and roasting potatoes. So first we'll have some lunch and then we'll go to check what all events are there here. So it's a complete jungle area where we have small ponds and people are making small wooden houses out here, and now we are going to make one. We have received this block of wood and we need to make a house out of it with the nails. These are the nails and there will be a screwdriver, so let's make a house. Let's make it. So we have to make it like this, something like this. So let's go and make a try. This is the bird house for the birds. I've made it myself. So you can put the grain out here, they'll come and pick it up and take it. So this is the playground around here. So there are some wild berries as well out here. So let's go. So the ladies out here are making hair for the kids and everybody. You can add some colorful hair to your original hair. There is some skipping the rope as well out here. Kids are making balloons, some swings as well.
Marysiu, wóz do wiaderka.
Będę ci pomogę, pokażę jak. Nie, chodź ze mną. Chodź ze mną.
Tak jak to się robi? Ale ty masz się wybić, jak jesteś...
Będzie taki gęsty.
Czy to jest to? Ja nie wiem.
Zrobię zdjęcie, bo widzę, że jest taki gęsty, a my też robimy dużo bani w domu. O, dziękuję.
Wow,
Przyszłość może się przyda.
Marysia jakie robi? No super, jeszcze raz. No zamocz. Tak jak to się, zobacz.
Z mamą zamoczę. Sama. No jak to jawa?
So this was the family day initiative by Equinix. I enjoyed myself, did something very different than what I do usually, and have an accomplishment as well. And I'll put this on one of the trees in my house where the birds will come and eat. I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you in the next one. Until then, have a nice time and take care of yourself.